Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show the car carrier ships all around the ships from upper deck to all the car decks. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. So hope this video is only for the newcomers who are first time joining the car carrier and who like to see the what kind of machinery and how the decks are situated in the car carrier. So this video for all the new one who like to see the car carrier Roro ship, how it looks like. So in this video I will show all around my ships from upper deck to the all the car decks. So hope you like this video. So let's start this video by upper deck. So this is all about the upper deck. Now I will show the other parts of the ships from upper deck to car deck. So let's enjoy this video. So this is the upper deck. This is the emergency muster stations, and this is the outer view of upper deck. You can see there the alley passageway to go on the deck 6 and all other decks. So these are the lifeboats. There are two lifeboats. One is starboard side and another is port side. So this is all about the upper decks. These are all the car deck vents. Here you can see the car deck vents. So this all about the car deck vents. And we'll go to the forward station. After that we'll go to the upper deck aft side. After that we will go to the car deck. So this is where we going to the forward of the car upper decks. So these are the all natural ventilations for the cargo holds. So you can see. So now we are going to the forward of the upper deck. This is the forwardmost part of the ships. You can see the their forward masthead and all. This is the since we are at port, so you can see we are very close to the city. You can see the mountain, see buildings and all. So this is the forwardmost part of the ships. This is the natural car deck vents, like every car deck, 9 deck, 10 deck, 11 deck, 12 deck. These are all the car deck vents. Now we are going to the aft side of the ships. So you can see this is all the accommodation where the crew and officers are staying. So this is the accommodation part of the ships, and on the top of that monkey island, and we are the ship's navigation bridge. So we are going to the aft part of the ship now. So like this we have a life raft, two life raft on the starboard side and two life raft on the port side. For each life raft we have a capacity of 15 persons. So we can see that the life rafts for emergency we can use this also. Another life raft on the port side, this is starboard side. So this is all about the life raft. One of the most important thing in the car carrier is the side stern ramp and side ramp. So this is the side ramp control panel. From here we lower the ramp and the cargo operation will start from loading. You can see that cargoes here all are waiting for loading. So this is a side ramp, loading the side ramp. These are the winches from which side ramps are loading. So similar to side ramp, there are a stern ramp also at the aft of the ships. From there the cargo operation also will continue. So this is all about the side ramps winches. So now this is entrance to the car deck. So from here we can go to the 12 deck, 11 deck, 10 deck, 9 deck. Each and every decks we can go through this entrance. This is all about the entrance. You can see this is all the natural vent of car deck. So now we are almost moving to the stern part of the ships. So this one is, you can see engine room, funnels. This all are about the funnels. Now this one helicopter winch operation. Like in sometimes in case of emergency we are helicopter rescue also continue on ships. So for that operation in the particular designated area for the helicopter winch operation, like some port the pilot coming by helicopter. So at this area the pilot will disembark. This is the helicopter winch operation area. So you can see that it's marked with highly visible color, red color. You can see that it's winch only, it's written there. So this one forward most, you can see mast and flags are hoisting. So now we are almost stern part of the ship. Since engine rooms have generator running, so sounds coming. So you can see that engine room vent fans are running. This was winches for the stern ramp control panel. So here, from here we operate the stern ramp, and you can see the flags hoisting. So this is inside flag. So this is all about the stern part of the ships, and from here we control the stern ramp. So this is the stern ramp control panel. You can see here, and this is the stern ramp already lowered, waiting for the cargo operation. This is the stern ramp. From here the cargoes are loading and discharge continue on various decks. So this is the most important thing of the car carrier ship, the stern ramp. So from here we can control the stern ramp and lower and operate the stern ramp. So you can see this boat's view. Very nice port. It looks very beautiful. That is South Korea. So now we are going to the car decks. So let's go to the car deck. So here we have elevator to go down on the engine control room and the car deck. Elevator to going the car decks. So here replacing the car decks. So from elevator we can go down to the different machine deck and car deck. So this is for the benefit of the crew and officers, so that they don't need to walk by stairs, because it's very long go to down. So it's very difficult. So for that comfort of the officer, here company provided the elevators on ships. So this is number 6 car deck. Here the cargo operations are going on various according to the height of the cargo. So this was normally the liftable panel. So now it's fully up because we are loading high and heavy unit cargo. We will going to load high and heavy unit. So this can be moved up to down here. You can see the red mark from there. So that the one more deck 7 is now fully up. So now deck 6 is full. You can see that can load the high and heavy unit cargo. So this is all about the deck 6. These panels all are the liftable panel, can move up and down. So these are the places where the cargoes are loading, like trucks, cars, and various high and heavy unit, JCB, bulldozer, and all what kind of machineries are loaded. So this is the deck lifter that every ship's normally every ship's carrying 1 or 2 deck lifters. So this one deck lifter which help to lower the panels from up this deck lifter. So this is deck lifter. From this, by the help of deck lifter, we loading this all panels to the lower deck when we require. When we are loading cars, that time we lower to the lower deck, and when we are loading heavy unit cargo like trucks and all, that time we move up to the fully up position. So these are the liftables. So this is all about the, you can see that 7 deck, that is down deck, that area, that is at that point when we loading car, that time we are keeping there, but when we loading high and heavy units, that time we will keep up to the final position. So these are all the car decks. You can see now from here, this is the ramp. From here the cars are going to the from top deck, like 7 deck, 8 deck, and other decks. So there are some movable ramps also. So you can see all around. These are the area where the cargo are loading. So now if you want to show lower deck, now I will go to the lower deck and show how the cargo are loaded inside the lower deck. So this was alpha zone. Normally zones are divided into alpha and bravo. So car carrier ships are divided into this is going to the lower deck. So normally, so now we are going to the lower deck. Here the cars are also loaded. So you can see that how this is the lower deck, that is alpha zone, and similarly deck 5, this one is bravo zone, other side is bravo zone. So from here the also cars can be loaded, the different and can move up to the top of the by ramp. These are the whole area of the bottom deck. You can see this is the ramp, the area where the cargo are loaded. So this is all about the cargo holds. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Hope you subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the further notification of the life of the seaman, and you can see the travel vlog also. Thank you very much.